충고원할까? 예제. 내가 충고원하다 그래.
Do you two welcome for the Philippines? It's so good to see you guys in the success of Love Scout Nasorari, and we can't wait to see you again in your next projects. Thank you.
Hi Janushi, welcome back to the Philippines. Thank you so much for taking your time to meet Australia's Paddington. Stay happy and healthy and hope you can eat lots of good food while you're here.
Mabuhay Actor Di Junio. On behalf of your Filipino fans here in Manila and those who flew in from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and even across the world, we'd like to give you the warmest welcome back to the Philippines. Seen all your work, from being a sharp-suited prosecutor to the ever-perfect secretary, and you've made us all laugh, cry, and even fall harder every day. And at your first ever fan meeting here in the Philippines, we're bringing our loudest cheers, the warmest hearts, and of course, an ultra HD 8K kind of loyalty that's never ended. We hope today is just as memorable for you as it is for us. Maraming salamat, and please balik na soon ulit at salamat from your Filipino fans.
They love you so much. Guys, that was so wonderful and so thoughtful. How do you feel after watching that video made for you? Oh, they made the video right there.
굉장히 감동적이네요. 네, 이렇게 이런 걸 만들어 주셨을 줄 몰랐고 굉장히 따뜻한 마음을 가졌어요.
Yes, I guess it is really amazing and heartwarming videos that I actually received from you guys.
They are saying mahal. They love you so much. They're saying mahal kita. They love you so much.